I'm on a whole nother level. Girl, he only fucked you over cause you let him. Girl, I guess he didn't know any better. Girl, that man didn't show any ever. Do all I can just...
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tashina Beauty. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button because I don't know if you know, girl, but I bring in affordable hair, makeup, pretty much everything on a budget. And if you're oldie but a goodie, thank you for rocking with me. Let's jump right into this video. Now the unit on my head was sent to me by Janet Collection, and it's their Natural Me lace wig, 100% premium fiber. I have her in the style Amani and I have her in the color 1B. Stock card looks like this. Really like the styling on the stock card. Now this construction of the wig, there's combs in the front, so there's two combs at the front and that temple tag, a comb in the back, and an adjustable strap, and then there is about 4 inches, I think, or because that don't look like 6 to me, or maybe it's 6 of parting space, and then there's here to here lace, so you cut your lace, you can blend that, take baby hairs out if you wanted to. I did not do that. I kind of just brought it back a little bit and kind of finesse my hair, put a little bit of powder in the parting space, not a whole lot. And this is what we have. So let's get into it. I've been wanting to try their Natural Me here for a long time. I think I tried one and I believe that was a straight unit, I believe. I'm not sure, don't quote me. But I've seen everyone with the natural textures, nice curl pattern. I see a couple people who have done this here in color. I just wanted to try 1B to keep it safe. I really like this look. Now, I don't know. I wish, well, I could do my hair like this, but it will not come out with this much volume and look like this. I don't know. You can't even tell that this is not my natural hair. If I tacked her down and blend a little bit more, I believe like it would even look even more realistic, and that's what I love about this. I did not receive any tangling and I did not receive any shedding. I rubbed my hand through it, and how it feels is kind of like if you did this to your natural hair and it has that dry crunchy feeling. That's what it feels like, kind of similar like if you did this to your natural hair, put mousse and whatever and wrapped it or curled it. That's kind of the feeling. So it does feel like how it doesn't feel like that soft bouncy texture. It kind of just feel like how I expect it to feel if it was my hair and I've done that to my hair. Maybe I'm wrong, but when I've done this to my hair before, this is kind of like how it feels basically. Now, construction of the wig cap, I think it is big head friendly because I didn't move the straps. I put it on my head and it wasn't snug, it was quite loose. I didn't want to adjust the straps or anything, so I kind of just left it at it was. As you know, I don't use combs in my wig and it looked perfectly fine to me. You can use a wig grip and she will stay and she will not move. So you can use a wig grip if you want to for this style too, and I think it will be perfectly fine. If you choose to or you want to shift her to a middle part, it will not look right. This wig is specifically made to be a side part and this side part. She can't shift. Like the tabs of the, I mean you could, but the tabs at the side of the hairs, like of each side, like by your temple, it will feel uncomfortable if you shift the wig to a middle part. But then again, some people may can finesse that and it work out for them. I tried it, it did not work. Yeah, I have not tried putting her up in a half up, half down style or anything like that, because literally all you have is that center part. But I know maybe you could try and it will become successful, but I did not do that because you don't have parting space. Like, you don't, you know what I mean? So you're not gonna get what you're looking for with a half up, half down. However, I do like the side part look. I think it looks really, really nice. I don't normally go for side parts sometimes because I don't like to always have to be moving stuff out of my hair, but I feel like this is tapered really nicely that I can get away with wearing this to even grocery shopping, go getting my nails done with my mask on and everything. And that says a lot because when I go out, I don't want hair that I'm constantly gonna have to play with and move, especially seeing we're in a pandemic and I have to already work with a mask and maneuver everything else in my face. I don't like having to touch my face quite a lot, so I try not to go for hair that I know that will do that for me. I normally have my hair up in a bun, or it's a short wig, or if it is a long wig, it is always sleek back, or a tapered bob. And sometimes I don't even like those because I still be having to do too much with those two. So this here, I will say, I will definitely be wearing her out. I really like her. I think she's nice. I think she's cute. She mimics my natural hair. I like her. So let me show you what she looks like from all different angles. So obviously this is what the hair looks like frontal view. I'll show you what she looks like from the left side. This is what she looks like from the right side. And this is what she looks like from the back. I don't know if you could see all of that or not, but I really, really think she's cute. I mean, if you have thinner hair and you want to kind of fool people that you have natural hair, I think this would be the wig for you. I think she's nice. I like her. I don't have anything bad to say about her. She's just nice. Number 2 is like naturally my hair color. I went with a 1B and I'm kind of happy that I did. Like, I don't know, it kind of complemented my skin tone a lot more. Number 2, I always felt like my hair looked ashy, but that looks very natural for me. But this looks really good. I don't think the 1B is too dark. I think it's like the perfect color. I think Janet overall did a really good job on this unit. It don't feel thin or anything. It feels really nice. It's not heavy. It's not something that I will honestly say, oh, you're gonna be hot and bothered and tired in this unit. So if you want to purchase this unit, I will have a link down in the description box on where you can purchase her from. I'll have a couple links to places that will probably be selling this wig, so you can purchase that. Check the description box because you can click links for other videos that I have that you may be interested in, or you can just go on my page and check out my other playlist. Girl, I be having some ass affordable wigs, so you can check that out too. Yeah, let me know what you guys think about this one, guys. I really like her. I think she's cute. I think she's nice. Yeah, I don't have anything bad about her to say about her. She nice. Follow me on my social medias. It's Tashina_Beauty for Instagram. It's down in the description box. I have a Facebook page. It's Tashina Beauty 22, which will also be down in the description box. Or you can click on my banner because it's on my banner also. Leave me a comment in the comment section down below what you think about this unit. If you have any questions or concern, or you just want to say hi, just leave that down in the comment section down below also. I don't got much to say. Thank you for coming. And if you're I always do this. If you made it to the end of this video, might as well you hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share this video with your friends or family. I don't care who they are. Just share the video, girl. Just share the video, girl. And you're here, so turn on your notification bell because I don't have a set schedule what I'll be uploading. And until next time, I think that's about it. Yeah, that's about it. This is your girl Tashina Beauty. Bye.